Hey guys, I wanted to make a quick little video to show you guys how you can browse for estate sales and, more importantly, keyword search. That's what sets us apart from every other estate sale listing website out there. So this is our main page, and you can always go up here to the top menu and click on Find Estate Sales, or there's also a button over here to find estate sales. Or if you are signed in and you have a Treasure Hunter account, it is free, by the way, so everybody should sign up. You can click on the Browse Sales button, and then here you can see you can click on Estate Sales, and this is going to show you all of the estate sales that are near you if you're sharing your location. You can always go in to this hamburger menu and then go down here and change the zip code, whatever you want to do. If you want to share your location with us or change the zip code to some other location, you can as well. And so here are all the sales. As you can see, the sales are always going to be like in a grid view, but you can change this to 3 columns if you want to have more sales per column, or you could go to our list view as well. Same sales, it's just viewed a little bit different. We try to make it as easy as possible for you. We try to make the photos as big and beautiful so that you guys don't have to squint looking for some of these sales. But I wanted to show you this more important feature up here. This is your search bar. Obviously, your filters, all very self-explanatory. You can search to see which sales are going on the next 7 days, tomorrow, today, however you want to search for them. The distance, you could have the recommended sales first. You could have whatever sales are closest to you or the furthest away, whatever you want to do. But check this out. This is what sets us apart and makes us completely different than every other website. Let's say I'm looking for a lamp, okay? In the other websites, you'd have to go page by page, sale by sale, looking for lamps. Not on this one. All you have to do is type in lamp, and the lamps will show up. Okay, there are clamps here. So sometimes if it's in the word clamp and lamp, it's going to show up. And there's just nothing we can do about that. But you can see here that all the lamps that are at these sales are showing up for you to be able to see. And all you have to do is, like, let's say I really like this Tiffany lamp. You click on it, it'll open the sale, and it'll go down to the photo so that you can expand it and make it big and beautiful. Now, if you are logged in, which I highly recommend, you can also activate this little cool feature here, which is called Show Titles and Actions. And you will see that once I do that, you see the title, description, and you have all these icons over here, which we will talk about in a later video.